Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto Wendy's Frosty. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of heavy cream or heavy whipping cream. I'm using heavy whipping cream. Then you need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of some kind of powdered sweetener. I'm going to use the Monkfruit sweetener, and I am just going to beat that in my NutriBullet first to make it powdered. And then a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you need something to blend it in. So I'm using a NutriBullet. You could just use a handheld mixer, whatever you want to use to blend it. So that's all we need. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off by turning my Monkfruit sweetener into powder sweetener. Alright, that looks good to me. I just put my 2 tablespoons in there and just beat it for about 10 seconds with my NutriBullet, so it's a nice powdered consistency. So next we're just going to add everything else to that and blend it again. Alright, that looks all nice and blended to me. I just kept taking a butter knife and scraping down my sides because, you know, since you have the powdered sugar down there and the unsweetened cocoa powder, sometimes it doesn't mix well, so you have to scrape down the sides with the butter knife. So I just pretty much blended mine just about 3 times, and now I'm just going to pour this into 2 glasses. The original recipe says it makes 3 servings, but to me it is definitely not enough for 3 servings, so I shortened it to 2. And with all of my ingredients, I come to about 5.2 carbs per serving. So that's not really bad for a Wendy's Frosty, and I'm telling you, it tastes like it. So I'm going to go ahead and pour these into cups and then just put them in the freezer to set up. It says at least 30 minutes, but I would suggest a couple hours. Alright, these are poured into my 2 glasses, and here's so you can see about how big they are. And I am going to go ahead and put these in the freezer. You could try 30 minutes and check on them. I've never poured them into 2 actual glasses. I've always kept them in my NutriBullet, my big cup here, so they might set up, but I'll be checking on mine later. Alright guys, my Frosty has come out of the freezer, and I did have to let mine set for about 30-40 minutes because it was in there for about 6 hours today. But you shouldn't have to do that if you only freeze it for about 30 minutes to an hour. Just keep checking it and give it a good stir, and we will see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, Nut Free Mama, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.